Okay, on this session, we're gonna get a little bit more advanced in the learning to navigate your Occidental website. On the last session, we looked at some of the tabs that were easier to do: the ordering supply, that your illustrations, your downloads, your webinars, key contacts, your agent contract, the help desk. So now we're gonna get into a little bit more advanced, which this directly will affect your ability to underwrite a customer, getting your applications approved, and it'll impact the bottom line, which is your pocket. I think one of the most important things is the agent training. I believe over here on the left hand side, you're required to do the anti-money laundering, that you have no option here. But the annuity training course, you will want to take that one, because some of the product that we offer carries an annuity writer that can write along with some of the term products, and you will need the annuity training course. But as you can see, like one of our most popular products is going to be, for example, in this case, the Home Protector. And you can download the training, but you can go through the training, and it's pretty detailed, and it's reading, some of the reading that needs to take part, but it's very direct, very simple, very easy to understand. So once you get that done, then you're able to move, present, and do a great job for your customer. The other tab that's important, it's going to be what's on the main screen over here on the left hand side. Obviously, you always want to be aware of what the incentive is over there, because this is a free trip if you hit a certain annual premium. Again, producers are required to do about only 75,000 in comparison to other companies that require you to do 100,000, 120, up to 200,000 just to get on a trip. So on this one, it's fairly simple. 2018 convention. As you can see, it gives you specifics as to what it is, where it is. So you always want to have that in front of you if that's something that you want to reach for. It's a free trip. It's a great, excellent trip that they put in, first class all the way, and you're gonna love it if you're able to attend one of the conventions. The second one, on the helpful hints, it's submitting your applications. If you're faxing your application, if you're wanting to do the insurance application downloads or application drops, or you will have to register at insuranceapplication.com, because sometimes it takes one day for your agent number to be activated. So, the helpful things, you need to be right on top of this. This will only do a lot of things for you, but one of the main things is make you a better agent, which will in turn make you a better field underwriter, which in turn will make more money to your bottom line. Transmitting the applications, here's the transmit button if you want to get that set up. Your bonus bucks, this is free money to every agent that qualifies. You can get a silver award, a gold award, or a platinum award. This is just free cash money that you get on a monthly basis if you recognize that you're doing some of the from 7,500 up to 20,000 plus a month. Then you get an extra incentive, a bonus buck. So I think this is something that everybody should take advantage. It's free money. Why not? Again, if you have a case that you want to do a list bill, it tells you how to start it. Again, you need to do a request for you to be set up, but that's something if you're into selling business to business. This other button right here, the products at a glance, uh, I love this brochure because it gives you in a very easy to see format of all the products that they have. Golden Solutions, which is a final expense, it gives you the product type, issue age, the minimum face amount, the maximum face amount, if there's a policy fee, and if it's commissionable or not. A lot of times, let me see if we can see this better, which is a lot. The underwriting guidelines, the different benefits for the customer or riders, right? There's some additional features and benefits. There's the product types, whether they're 10, 20, 25, 30, 15 years, whole life, term life, UL, whatever that product is, it gives you in a very, very, very easy to understand format so that you can offer your clients the perfect product to meet their needs and fit their budget. So you can always download the brochure right from your Windows, save it to your desktop or your phone. You can print it and have it with you at all times. So it's a very, very powerful tool to do a great job again for your customer, which in turn will do a great job for your bottom line. The other tab that I want to take a deep look into is the agent e-file. The agent e-file, it's basically where you're going to be able to see your policies, your production. If you have agents under your hierarchy, they'll show right here. Again, we're using a generic account right now, so just for practical purposes to teach you what it is here, but you can manage your profile. You can actually download all your client list. Once you have your clients, you can keep track of your current year production, your prior year, so you're always on top as to how far are you away from hitting that convention or not. You can see your numbers compared to last year. Are you doing better? What you can do? What if you're not? Then it gives you ideas as to what you can do, because it keeps you informed on a daily basis as to where you at for the year, as far as earnings and commissions and agents and the policies. Once you click on view all on your client list, you're going to see different policies over here, whether they're pending underwriting, whether they're approved, whether they're issue and not paid, decline, incomplete, withdrawn, terminated. So it'll show you all your business over here. Even if they're past due, you want to call your clients and say, hey, you're late. Help them keep your business on the books, increasing your persistency, which again translates into future money for you. Pending underwriting, you can always see your underwriting over here, what you need, anything that you might need to take action in. So you have to keep that really, really, really on top of doing your pending. So with that being said, what I came from the agent e-file, which you can view all your customers, and you can see your pending here, and you're going to see some codes on your customers. You're going to have different codes of underwriting codes. So that's why now that agent file really marries with your underwriting over here, because it tells you right here, agent e-file pending requirement descriptions. So basically, you can see over here, as you can see on your pending business, you might have different codes that your underwriting is using, well, you can come over here and see exactly what those codes mean so that you can take action and make it easier and faster for you to approve your insurance applications again, which in turn will speed up the process for your customer, getting them protected, but it speeds up your bottom line, your pay. I mean, it's going to be faster payout if you're on top of your pending. Again, there's some ordering instructions if you need to order exams, the blood or the urine for your customers if it's a fully underwritten case. So you're going to be able to see it right there. Any questions, any that you might have, again, you can send back to contracting@ensuritygroup.com or operations@ensuritygroup.com. By this time, you should have our emails and our phone numbers. We're really good on the email, so go ahead and email us if you have a question. Thank you.